Diretso tayo sa usapin ng anniversary ng Auxiliary to the Philippine Medical Association o APMA. At para dyan ay makakasama natin ngayon si Nurse Elvira Estrita, isang registered nurse, ang National President ng APMA at ang Executive Vice President ng APMA na si Professor Elnora Duran. Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Ma'am, ito pong ating organization na Auxiliary to the Philippine Medical Association. Ito ay organization ng mga asawa ng mga doktor na bahagi ng PMA. Tama po ba?
Opo, tama po.
At mga legitimate spouses po ito.
Legal spouses lang.
Legal wives and husbands.
Yeah.
Alright. At ngayon ay mag-celebrate kayo ng anniversary. Kailan po ba yung inyong anniversary?
We will celebrate on July 6 on Saturday at Philippine Medical Association North Avenue Auditorium. Yeah.
And this is your 67th
67 founding anniversary celebration.
So you started in 1946.
1946, yeah.
Actually, Miss Duran, I was imagining, ano kaya yung naisip ng mga asawa ng mga doktor? No? Bakit nila inumpisahan itong APMA?
Actually, they have been volunteering to work for them. No? Nagtatrabaho sila kasama ng kanilang mga asawa. Tapos, na-establish yung Women's Auxiliary to the Philippine Medical Association.
Right.
Eventually, this became auxiliary to the Philippine Medical Association because they realized there were male spouses. Hindi naman lahat ng mga asawa babae.
Kasi may pumapasok ng babaeng doktor.
Yes, marami na tayong babaeng doktor. So, yung mga asawa nila, yan auxiliaries ngayon.
So, Nurse Estrita, ano yung mga activities na naka-line up natin ngayong anniversary ng APMA?
We will have our community service. Kahapon nga, nagkaroon kami ng feeding, no? And then we will be having other services like medical outreach. So, madami pa kaming planong gawin, no? For the good of the community.
And Professor Duran, isa doon sa mga activities na i-organize natin ay yung National Physicians Day. Tama
Yes, National Physicians Day. We celebrate this every year since it was promulgated in 1978, September 27, 1978, by the former President Ferdinand E. Marcos. And so it is annually celebrated by the Auxiliary to the Philippine Medical Association. This was during the incumbency of past President of APMA, Mrs. Lydia Cristobal.
At isa po doon sa National Physicians Day na bahagi ay yung topics or yung search para sa mga doctors in community service.
Yes, kasama po dyan yan ang isa sa pinakamalaki naming activity for National Physicians Day. Ngayon pa lang, nagtatawag na kami sa mga doktor na magpadala ng nomination para sa mga the outstanding physicians in community service. These are the physicians who render over and above. They render health services over and above their professional service. So, yung mga interesado po na magpadala ng nominations, pwede po kayong magpadala ng nomination forms sa aming immediate past president ng APMA, si Mrs. Herminia Lorenzo, or you can contact your local chapter or component medical society presidents.
At Nurse Elvira, this Saturday ay meron tayong celebration.
Yeah.
What do we expect ngayong Sabado?
Well, since it's celebration, we have special guests like Senator Trillanes and Congressman Lea Pakis, yung aming Congresswoman party list, ang nurse, no? So they will be giving us messages, you know, that would be beneficial to the members, no?
Right.
And of course, medyo magkakaroon kami ng fellowship and getting together, no, as physicians' wives and also the physicians.
Lahat po ba ng spouses bahagi ng APMA or is this a voluntary organization?
This is a voluntary organization.
So we are expecting how many dating na Sabado po?
This is only by invitation, no? So we're expecting like 100 to 120.
Okay.
Selected lang talaga.
And actually, matagal ko na rin itong iniisip, Nurse Elvira, kasi yung sa Integrated Bar of the Philippines, required lahat ng attorney no, na maging miyembro. Sa Philippine Medical Association po ba, required din lahat?
Yes, as far as I know, they're required to be members of the Philippine Medical Association.
Lahat po ng
Mga
doctors.
doktor,
no? Okay. So, and you also mentioned, Nurse Elvira, other activities. Pwede nyo ba kaming bigyan ng kaunting sulyap sa mga activities na ito?
Well, as you can see in the pictures, no, we don't only do medical outreach or community services, no. Meron din ho kaming mga socials. And we also join activities with other health agencies. Katulad ho kahapon, nagkaroon kami ng feeding activity. We joined with the Council on Health Association of the Philippines. Ayan ho ay asosasyon ng mga magkakasamang medtech, nurses, doktor, engineers, nutritionists. No?
Right.
So, yung aming pakikipagtulong sa ibang mga health agencies ay ginagawa rin ho namin.
And interesting kasi iba't ibang disiplina, iba't ibang profession yung meron sa APMA.
Opo.
Professor Duran, I was wondering din sa topics po ba, ano po ba yung mga other than yung, of course, community service, meron pa po bang iba pang mga requirements or mga tinitignan na credentials ng ating mga physicians?
Well, actually, they should really be active members of their own chapter or component organizations because PMA is made up of different component societies. So they should be recommended by their
Medical
president, the incumbent president of their chapter or their component. And they should really have to submit, like the album that they showed over there, they should submit their achievements in an album, and then this will be, of course, validated by the doctors they work for, the community they work for, and I'm sure that their presidents would not recommend them or nominate them if they're not really that qualified to become an outstanding physician in community service.
At ito po ay annual search, tama po ba?
Yes, it's an annual search.
Every year.
Last year po ba, sino po yung mga nanalo? Baka pwede niyo po kami bigyan ng example.
Sino na nga ba yung
Sa
mga...
topics, we have Mrs. Dr. Realisa Henson from Quezon City. We also have from Davao, Dr. Lusa. And we have Dr. Erlinda de los Santos from Bacolod.
All right.
And from Cavite, Dr. Benji Alaban.
At meron po ba kayong mga sample, kunyari, ng mga nagawa nila? Bakit sila napasok din sa topics?
Madami ho silang nagawa over and above their profession na hindi ho talagang ordinary na gagawa ng isang doktor, no? From their own pockets, no? They spend for doing activities na na-appreciate ng mga tao sa community.
Nurse Elvira, ano po yung projects na maaasahan natin ngayon sa APMA this 2013?
We will be having projects like community service na katulad ng medical, surgical, dental outreach, no? Yung mga vaccinations, flu vaccination, alam naman natin na usong-uso lalo na sa mga senior citizen, no?
Right.
Na madali silang makakuha ng lagnat or sakit, no? So that we will do, and also yung usong-uso yung mga nasa-stroke, no? Yung mga naatake sa puso. We also have to give health lectures to these people.
So you intend to focus, ma'am, sa mga senior citizens, tama po ba?
Well, hindi lang senior citizens, yung mga bata rin, no? All ages. No? Kung nakikita namin ito ang pangangailangan ngayon, we dwell on that. No?
Okay, siguro Professor Duran, maybe you can invite our viewers para mag-file ng mga nominations para sa ating the outstanding physicians in community service.
Okay, so we invite physicians nationwide in the search for the outstanding physicians in community service. And you may submit your nomination forms to either directly to the APMA office through our immediate past president of APMA, Erminia Lorenzo, and through your chapter or component societies. I hope you submit them now because
We have a deadline.
the awards night is September 27, and we will go through a rigid screening, and the screening will be done by reputable judges.
Kailan po ba meron po ba tayong deadline na naset for the nominations?
Okay, it's
It's August.
August.
Yes, it's in
It's the
August.
third week of August.
All right.
So we'll have ample time to really screen the nominees.
Yes.
All right. At Nurse Estrita, maybe you can invite then our members ng APMA or kung meron man kayong mga public events sa inyong mga activities for your anniversary.
Okay, so I would like to invite the chapters, no, local auxiliary chapters in our 67th Foundation Celebration Anniversary. Sana ho pumunta kayo dito at makisama sa very noteworthy project na to na gagawin natin. No? At sinasabi nga ho ng chairman natin, ng overall physicians natin, na mag-submit na ho yung mga doktor ng kanilang nominations. No? At pwede nyo idiretso sa opisina ng APMA or sa amin, no? Sa akin, so we can really be sure na makukuha ho namin ito.
Okay, good luck sa inyong anniversary at sa inyong mga projects, and nakakatuwa po na really the spouses of our doctors are also engaging in community service and in really helping out yung mga nangangailangan sa panahong ito. At maraming salamat po. At yan po sina Nurse Elvira Estuita at si Professor Elnora Duran, ang National President at Executive Vice President ng Auxiliary to the Philippine Medical Association, celebrating their 67th anniversary.